So try to concentrate.
Okay.
Initiating from here.
Okay.
Yes, higher up. Tired? You want to take a break?
No, we don't have to.
Yeah.
We'll just keep going.
The day I had my injury, I remember it like it was yesterday. I woke up, me and my best friend went on a run, had lunch, and then I came home, worked out with my dad in the garage, and then I went over to a friend's house. The last thing I remember was clicking my seatbelt, and after that, I woke up 4 days later and was in this situation. My name is Nico Pascos. I'm 20 years old. I grew up in Austin, Texas, and I've been going to school in Hawaii. I think the hardest part of this injury a lot of times is just the lack of freedom. Especially with where I was at, you know, on top of the world and surfing and kind of doing what I wanted to do every day. Mobility was a big part of my life.
So the problem is that we don't have a cure, we don't have a treatment that is FDA approved for individuals with spinal cord injury. So our NVG-291 clinical trial is aiming to fill that gap. So our hypothesis is that by injecting NVG-291, this is a peptide that aims to block inhibition within the central nervous system so axons can grow, regenerate, and hopefully contribute to improve functional restoration in people with spinal cord injury.
I had a C7 incomplete spinal cord injury, and it registers me as a quadriplegic technically because I can't use my hands as well.
We're testing individuals with cervical spinal cord injury. So most individuals have deficits in upper limb function, so they have problems with ability to grasp objects, for example, and also with their lower limb. So they have problems with locomotion. I think one of the exciting developments is the use of these new technologies, such as proteins, of molecules that aim to enhance repair and regeneration in clinical trials. We are trying to get forward. We're trying to advance the field. And I think this is why NVG-291, this clinical trial, is so important. Very good. Yes, you can do it.
Try and hold it there. I'm gonna push against your pinky. Good.
What is very unique about Wings for Life, this foundation is supporting research related to spinal cord injury. And that is extremely necessary, extremely needed. So we're very grateful for foundations that actually are devoted to support basic translational work that is going to aim, or is aiming to improve the quality of life of people with spinal cord injury.
This could help millions and millions of people, and to know that I'm gonna be a part of the beginning of that is just such a huge opportunity, and I can't wait to see where this goes. I do believe in my heart that this is gonna change a lot of people's lives.